Okay, so friends, now it's time for Ask TG और ये जो segment है, you know, it's my personal favorite because this is where we get to talk. This is where I answer all your questions. Let's see इस week हमें कौन से questions मिले हैं.
हाय टीजी, कि पिक्सल 9 प्रो फोल्ड सैमसंग गैलेक्सी Z फोल्ड 6 से बेटर है?
Quite an interesting question. I would not say it is better than the Z Fold 6, or I would not say it is not good as compared to the Z Fold 6. All I would say is that either you talk about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 or you talk about the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. They both are really powerful foldable devices. Now it just डिपेंड्स ऑन योर प्रेफरेंस कि आपको दोनों में से किस तरफ जाना है. बोथ आर रियली पावरफुल, बोथ गिव यू अमेजिंग सेट ऑफ ऑप्शंस. सैमसंग इज द वन विच गिव्स यू दिस ओवरऑल kind of a complete package in terms of Galaxy AI or the ecosystem benefits and all that. But the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is the one which gives you a sleeker profile, a standard cover screen for you to enjoy it like a normal phone. Quite good in terms of build quality and all the Google features baked in. तो दोनों phones काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. It all depends on your preference कि आपको किस तरफ जाना है.
हाय गौरव, गेमिंग लैपटॉप लेने का बेस्ट टाइम कब होता है?
गेमिंग लैपटॉप्स लेने का बेस्ट टाइम कब होता है? वेल, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, द बेस्ट टाइम इज व्हेन यू रियली नीड देम. बट लेट्स से आपकी नीड जो है वो इतनी ज़्यादा क्रिटिकल नहीं है इन टर्म्स ऑफ टाइमिंग एंड यू जस्ट वांट टू गेट द बेस्ट डील. सो आई वुड से इट्स ऑलवेज द फेस्टिव सीजन, बी इट अ नॉर्मल लैपटॉप और अ गेमिंग लैपटॉप और अ स्मार्टफोन और व्हाटएवर. Usually in India, it's the festive season wherein you have lots of sales, discounts and everything going on, and I think that's a good time to buy any electronic device, for that matter even a gaming laptop.
Hey Gaurav, which is reliable app to trade crypto in India?
A reliable app to trade crypto in India. Unfortunately, I can't really give you just one or two names. But if you just do a quick Google search, you'll have lots of options coming in. Just go through the reviews, just go through the companies in terms of are they really, well established or not, and definitely you'll have multiple options coming in, you'll have multiple applications, multiple platforms. काफ़ी सारे हैं, but just ensure that whichever one you choose, they are completely regulated by the government and they are well established in the market. Don't just trade or do any kind of financial activity on any app or platform which is quite new or unverified or you just got a link from somewhere. I think वो करने से avoid करो. Otherwise जो भी आप Google search करोगे और जो आपको नाम आएंगे, pretty much all the same.
Hello Technical Guruji. Is buying a smartphone from Cashify is a good option?
I'll have a mixed opinion here because sometimes it's good and sometimes it might be not. One way to look at it is कि okay, आपको एक फ़ोन लेना है and you are getting this phone, everything is listed there कि क्या condition है, all that. Okay, you make a deal, you get a phone. But sometimes if you go in the local market, maybe you buy it from a known person or maybe a known store, you might get a good value for that phone. So that way, I think sometimes Cashify is good for people who don't want any hassle. They just want to pay a certain amount and get a certain phone. That's fine. But if you really want to get the best value for your money, अगर आपको वो काम करना है, तो maybe your local market is a better alternative. So guys, that's all from my side in this week's episode of Gadgets 360 with Technical Guruji. अगर आपका भी कोई question है, if you want me to answer your stuff in the next episode in the Ask TG segment, you know what to do. tg@ndtv.com. Well, that's my email and मैं और मेरी पूरी टीम हमेशा inbox खोल के रखते हैं अपने सामने, so that the communication should always be there. If in case आपको कुछ और लिखना है, you have any appreciation, any feedback, any query, like this one address for everything. Drop in all your emails and stay tuned for next week's episode. Same time, same place. आप NDTV के TV network पे देख रहे हो या digital networks पे देख रहे हो, I am there for you next week as well. See you all. अभी के लिए इतना ही. Take care. Have a good day.